In this video, we are going to be exploring the 5 study techniques every straight A student swears by. As a student, we've all experienced the stress of exams and the pressure to succeed academically, but worry no more because we've got you covered. With these simple yet effective tips, you too can achieve academic success. So without further ado, let's dive in. Technique 1: Active learning. Do you find yourself constantly rereading textbooks and taking pages of notes, only to forget most of it afterward? Studies have shown that passive learning, such as rereading texts, has little impact on retention and comprehension. Instead, try to engage in active learning techniques such as summarizing, self-quizzing, and teaching information to others. This will help you retain information for a longer period of time and better understand complex concepts. Technique 2: Time management. Time management is key to academic success. It's essential to create a schedule, prioritize tasks, and break them down into manageable chunks. This way, you'll avoid last-minute cramming and reduce stress levels. Utilize productivity tools such as Pomodoro timers to stay focused and on track. Time management can also create additional time for extracurricular activities and socializing. H3. Technique 3: Active recall. The active recall involves retrieving information from memory, which helps cement information into long-term memory. This technique involves quizzing oneself on information from memory rather than passively absorbing information. This method helps students learn more effectively than rereading or highlighting notes. Technique 4: Study groups. Studying in groups can be a powerful tool to improve one's comprehension and memory recall. Working in a group exposes students to different perspectives and helps them gain insights from peers. These groups can also create opportunities for discussions and shared learning experiences that help individuals learn at a faster pace. Technique 5: Growth mindset. A growth mindset is a belief that abilities and intelligence are not fixed but can be improved with consistent effort, hard work, and dedication. Adopting a growth mindset can help students overcome setbacks and failures and enable them to embrace challenges. Think positively about your academic abilities and remember that with hard work and perseverance, you can continuously improve. Alright, guys, that's about it for today's video. We hope you found our study techniques informative and helpful. Remember, practicing these techniques takes time, effort, and discipline, but the payoff is worth it. If you have any additional tips or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.